Why fruits are important for people with diabetes. Hello everyone. Welcome back to William's Health Tips. Today's topic is why fruits are important for people with diabetes. Many people living with diabetes are afraid to eat fruits because they contain natural sugars. Some even avoid fruits completely, thinking they will raise their blood sugar levels. But is that really true? The answer is no. Many people believe that all sugars affect the body in the same way, but that's not entirely true. The main sugar found in fruits is called fructose. Unlike glucose, fructose is absorbed and processed, mainly by the liver, and does not require insulin to enter most cells. This is one reason why whole fruits generally have a smaller effect on blood sugar levels than many processed sugary foods. However, fruits do not contain fructose alone. Most fruits also contain glucose and other carbohydrates that can raise blood sugar. That's why people with diabetes should still pay attention to portion sizes. The good news is that whole fruits also contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help slow sugar absorption and support overall health. So, the message is simple. People with diabetes do not need to fear fruits. Enjoy whole fruits in reasonable portions as part of a balanced diet. When chosen wisely and eaten in the right amounts, fruits can be a healthy and important part of a diabetic diet. In this video, we will discuss 7 reasons why fruits are important for people with diabetes. 1. Fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals that help the body function properly. For example, oranges contain vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Bananas provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Mangoes contain vitamin A, which supports healthy vision. People with diabetes need these nutrients just like everyone else. A healthy body is better able to manage blood sugar levels and prevent complications. 2. Fruits are rich in fiber. One of the biggest benefits of fruits is their fiber content. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means blood sugar rises more gradually instead of spiking quickly. High-fiber fruits include apples, pears, guavas, oranges, berries. For this reason, eating a whole fruit is usually much healthier than drinking fruit juice, which often contains less fiber. 3. Fruits help control hunger. Many fruits contain water and fiber, which help you feel full for longer. This can reduce overeating and unnecessary snacking between meals. Maintaining a healthy weight is very important for people with diabetes, because excess weight can make it harder for the body to use insulin effectively. Eating fruits as snacks can be a healthier choice than consuming sweets, biscuits, or sugary drinks. 4. Fruits contain powerful antioxidants. People with diabetes are at higher risk of complications such as heart disease, stroke, and damage to blood vessels. Many fruits contain antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from damage. Examples include berries, grapes, watermelon, pineapple. Antioxidants fight harmful substances known as free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases. Regular consumption of fruits may help support long-term health. 5. Fruits support heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading complications of diabetes. Many fruits contain nutrients that support a healthy heart. These include potassium, fiber, antioxidants. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber can help lower unhealthy cholesterol levels. By supporting heart health, fruits may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. 6. Fruits can satisfy sweet cravings naturally. People with diabetes often struggle with cravings for sugary foods. Instead of reaching for cakes, candies, or soft drinks, fruits can provide natural sweetness. For example, watermelon, apples, pawpaw, oranges. These fruits can help satisfy a sweet tooth while providing important nutrients and fiber. This makes them a healthier alternative to processed sugary snacks. 7. Fruits promote overall health and well-being. Fruits contribute to good digestion, hydration, and overall health. Many fruits contain a high amount of water, helping the body stay hydrated. Examples include watermelon, orange, pineapple. Good hydration supports many body functions, including circulation and kidney health. Since diabetes can affect different organs in the body, maintaining overall health is very important. Important tips for people with diabetes. Before we end, here are some important tips. Choose whole fruits instead of fruit juices. Eat fruits in moderate portions. Pair fruits with healthy foods such as nuts or yogurt when appropriate. Monitor your blood sugar and observe how different fruits affect you. Consult your healthcare provider or dietitian for personalized advice. Fruits that are generally good choices for people with diabetes. Some examples include apples, pears, guavas, oranges, berries, pawpaw, avocados. Remember, no single fruit is magical. The key is balance, variety, and portion control. Conclusion. In summary, fruits are not the enemy of people with diabetes. When consumed wisely, fruits provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and many other health benefits. They can help support heart health, control hunger, satisfy sweet cravings, and improve overall well-being. So, instead of avoiding fruits completely, learn which fruits are best for you and enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Thank you for watching Williams Health Tips. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health education videos. Remember, a good health starts with good knowledge. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.
Williams Health Tips. Be empowered to resist.